Hello, dear students. Good day. Today we are going to see present perfect with since and for. We can use since to say when the action or even began. Example: she has lived here since 1993. Since plus starting point, a time, a day. Since o'clock, since Monday, since February, since 1982, since I left school. Sentences. Number 1. She has known John since December 12th. Number 2. They have taken a test since last week. Number 3. I have lived in Buffalo since 2006. Now, we can use for to specify the period of time. Example: he has lived in Italy 4 years. 4 plus period of time, number, time work. 14 minutes, for 8 hours, for 5 days, for 6 months, for 3 years, for 2 centuries. Sentences. Number 1. They have worked in this office for 2 hours. Number 2. He has lived in Madrid for 6 months. Number 3. I have been married for 4 years. Now, do the test. In the following sentences, should they use for or since? Number 1. I have lived in London 6 months. Where is the correct answer? Since? For. The correct answer is for. Number 2. I have danced. I was small. Which is the answer? Since? For. The answer is since. Number 3. She hasn't had a day off 3 months. Which is the answer? Since? For. The answer is for. Number 4. I've lost so much flexibility. I hurt my leg. Which is the answer? Since? For. The answer is since. Number 5. They have all improved in altitude. The headmaster talked to them. Which is the answer? Since? For. The answer is since. Good job! Don't forget to solve the activities in your notebook. See you tomorrow.